Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about EURUSD. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders, and then I'll put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is breaking structure to the downside. In fact, what we can notice is that essentially we had a range bound market for quite some time. We had the high of the range currently acting here as resistance, and at the same time we had the bottom of the range here currently acting as support. However, at the moment it seems like the market is trying to break below that zone. Now, of course, it is still not a confirmed break to the downside, but it definitely seems like the market is, and sellers are essentially trying to push the price lower, break below the range. And if big institutional sellers will manage to take the control of the market, the next level, so the target zone to the downside, would be this zone here. So this level of previous monthly resistance, which is now turned support here, which is an important liquidity zone. So there is a very good probability that if sellers manage to break through this level, the next test would be the test of the liquidity that we have inside of this zone. So very important moment for EURUSD. Let's keep in mind that from a high time frame perspective, this is the situation. There is the possibility to see if we have a confirmed break of the range, a move lower. Let's keep it in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. And by the way, that is the importance of first looking at the high time frame, because that gives you the context to then go down on the lower time frame. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. And now, from a weekly perspective, what we can see is that we're starting to see a push to the downside with the creation of weekly lower lows and lower highs. We can clearly notice here the creation of this downtrend, and actually this has been a quite textbook downtrend. In fact, in a textbook downtrend, what you expect is the creation of weekly lower lows and lower highs, in which every break to the downside, essentially every time you have a break of the previous low, that previous low shifts from being previous support to then becoming resistance. And what we're seeing here is every time a break, retest, and continuation to the downside. So exactly what we're seeing right here. We're seeing the break, retest of previous support and resistance, perfectly respected. Again here, perfectly respected. So you see the break to the downside, retest, continuation to the downside. Right now, what do we have? We have the possibility to see again a break below this previous low. Now, until the market will remain above this low, it can easily respect the range on the monthly time frame. But if we see the first successful break below this range, so essentially the creation of a new impulse to the downside, breaking below the previous low, that confirms the break of the range to the downside. Now, how would that look like from a daily perspective? Well, from a daily standpoint, the structure is even more clear. What we can see is that this is the level that the market needs to break. If from here we will see an impulse to the downside, that previous support would become resistance. At that point, on the retest of the previous support and resistance, there is very good probability to see even more accumulation of shorts on the institutional side of the market. Now, why do I say more accumulation of shorts from the institutional side of the market? Well, because in fact, institutions are currently already shorting. In fact, if we move to the commitment of traders, what do we see? Now, first of all, we have to keep in mind that this data for the euro is already for EURUSD, because the euro is already reported against the USD. And what we can see is that with the last reports, net positions have been massively decreased. We went from 34.3k net positions all the way down to only 1K net positions with 17,300 shorts added just with the last report and 11,600 longs being closed. So institutions have been adding shorts massively and closing longs. Therefore, they expect EURUSD to go lower. So let's keep that in mind and move back to the chart. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in the description so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in this kind of situation, if we will see the break and retest, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bullish to bearish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a rejection lower away from this area for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the downside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.